Hi guys, welcome to Michael's World. Today I'm going to be showing you some of the best spots in this hotel, and some of them are even good hiding spots. I barely left the room and I just found a shopping cart. Anyway, on to our next cool thing. The first one is the stairs. This is up. I'm kidding, stairs aren't that cool. It would be cooler if there was a fire alarm. Speaking of fire alarms. I'm kidding, I wouldn't do that. Don't do that at home, kids. Or at any other building. Something way cooler than the stairs is the trash. I'm kidding, the elevator. The pool is good too. Sneak peek. I might be going to the pool. Perfect. Oops, I didn't see this note. Well, I guess I have to wait for it. Maybe it's not so cool. The next few places are going to be way better than the elevator. Let's go. Ooh, what's this? Trash. Whoa, it's like the secret portal. It doesn't smell so great. Let's move on. It says caution, do not enter. Let's go. Anything that says this is always really cool. Just kidding, I don't want to get like trapped in there or something. Now we're gonna actually move on to the good stuff. Like the frosting in the Oreos. I'm gonna go sneak up on my mom and scare her real quick because I think she's working out. The workout place would be a really fun place to go, but I'm not quite old enough to go in there yet. Let's move on. Now it's time to run a marathon. Looks like I did it in this moon weather. You know what? After a big, long marathon, I think it's time for me to moon bear. I think that's what it's called. I forgot my moon screen and my moon glasses. Oh no, where are they? It's okay, I've been moon burned before. Come check this out, they have a really cool Christmas tree. I'll be there. And it leads down to a small waterfall. Look at the view of the pool from here. I just saw David jump in the pool. Look at this really cool Christmas tree. I bet it's at least 15 feet tall. I can't reach it definitely, but I can reach the couch in time. Oh, it's wet. Oh, that's super wet. Now let's check out that fountain I mentioned. Let's see if I can sneak up on them, on my brothers, without them knowing. Never mind, I can't get there this way, but I can get there this way. Speed bump! another really cool fountain, but first I have to show you the hammocks. Okay, it's not wet like the couch. I don't know how to get into this. I have one at our house, but I rarely use it because it's not out all the time. Push me. Hopefully they don't see me. The hammocks are right by the pool. So far they haven't noticed. I'm starting to wonder if they went downstairs to play ping pong. Wait a minute, ping pong! Oh my gosh! That's the next thing I have to show you. Ping pong is the best thing in the whole universe. I'm not really sure where I'm going, because I'm going to ping pong, but I don't know where the ping pong is. Well, let's try to go. It looks like no one is swimming. That's good news, because it's open for like another hour. Well, that's like as warm as a spa. That's really warm. Almost too warm. I just figured out where the ping pong is. There's also pool and I think golf. Let's go. Oh yeah, they have a giant chess right here. I don't know how to play chess, but there's a game on my phone that I've played. It shows you how to play chess. Well, sort of. Oh yeah, ping pong. You want to play against me?
Of course.
Before I destroy, like absolutely destroy my dad and
Not
ping
gonna
pong,
happen.
Definitely gonna happen. I have to show you the other things they have. So they have pool. This is my version.
That's an interesting version of pool.
I won! And then over here they have, oh, they have foosball. I didn't know they had this. Red and blue, my favorite colors. Oops, let's try that again. As I was saying, anyway, as I was saying for the second time, as I was saying for the third time, after like 3 or 4 times. Equalizing goal scored by Michael's World in the 63rd minute ties the game. Where's the golf ball? Well, I can't find them, but they have mini golf, and this is it. Looks pretty fun, but I'm not really sure how I'm supposed to play. Like, will I stand here and putt or something? I don't really know. But now it's time for ping pong. Okay, now time for me to win. That's my point. 1-0. 2-2. I'll catch up at the end. My dad only beat me because I was doing pin grip style, which is a little harder. But once I do this style, it's game over. Nice serve.
Oops. Oh my goodness. You ready? Oh! Ace.
Nice.
See this pool right here? It has a tube slide that's closed, sadly, but tomorrow it's open, and it goes through all these rocks and ends up in the pool, of course. Of course, my brothers are copying me by playing ping pong because they saw me playing it, but I have a couple more things to show you, maybe 3 or 2, but the next ones are the best ones. I'm saving the best for last, and this next one is pretty cool. Follow me. Hurry up. Christmas ornaments. Ornament number 1. Christmas ornament number 2. I think number 2 is better. Anyway, follow me. How do you think these fountains look? I think they're pretty cool. There's 3 mini fountains here, and then there's 3 more right here. Then there's a huge one. I kind of want to feel it. That's so cool. This is how I shake. I shake them super fast, and they dry out. Then once they're a little wet, I just rub it on my clothes. Then more shaking, then close. This is my cycle of drying my hands. Let's go check out the view from the front, this way. Stairs. Now just a little bit more stairs. This is the view from the front. Whoa, this is way cooler than I thought. It looks like a Hawaiian waterfall. Let's touch. Oh, that got my whole arm wet. Really wet, but it's okay because I might not be able to spoil it. But we're going somewhere really cool right after this. Look how big this palm tree is. It's really big. I think there's someone inside. No! I'm kidding. But this is like so big, it has enough, like just to peel this thing off. It can protect like our whole family. It's like an umbrella, a giant umbrella. Well, it's close to the end of the video, so I have to hurry up and make it to the beach. Not like it closes anytime soon, but we still have to go to it. Did I give away my last place? It's the beach. Well, I'm just gonna put my feet in the water. Oh, it feels really good. It's like 90 or 95 degrees. And since tonight I can't swim because the pool closes, I'll swim tomorrow, and then I'll probably put some of those clips in this video so you don't miss out on me swimming. Jump in. Oh yeah, there's cornhole by the beach. Maybe we can do like a minute of cornhole. Almost. Oh, I made it on the platform. Hey, not bad. I got pretty close. Never mind. I got infinite points. Yes, I'm winning. One more. 4 points. Final one. Golazo! Time to enter. Do not enter. I'm kidding. The beach. Wait, move? Oh. Look at this cool boardwalk. I think turtles come like around here. Like they come around the beach. I think there's a sign over there that says like beware of the sea turtles because they have turtles here.
Yeah, they hatch their eggs.
I have a 3,000 lumen flashlight, but I forgot to bring it to the beach. But I have my phone, which is probably not that bright, but it's bright enough. The sand at this beach is like really white and soft, except there's like a layer of really hard shells when you walk on it. It hurts a little. But oh yeah, here's the sign. It says, help protect our sea turtles. I'm taking off my shoes because the sand is soft, so I want to feel it. All right, let's go. It's time to enter the beach. My first step on the beach since today, because I went on it yesterday. Step. Let's just leave my shoes right here so I don't lose them. And yeah, the beach is fun. The beach is the best. I love the beach. The sand here is soft, so it's easy to wipe off the sand here. Now I'm filming. It's a little shaky because I'm running. Wait, where's the castle? Aha, right there. Right here. There's like a big castle. Might be a little hard to see, but when I put it at this angle, it's easier. Right here, it's a castle. That, I'm gonna bury my feet in it. Perfect, they're buried. Let me scoop some sand into my feet and legs so it's completely covered. Perfect. And then I think the layer of shells is somewhere over here. And right here, lots of shells. Literally, and this is what I mean by a layer of shells. There's shells everywhere. Anyway, oh, wow. This is cool. Someone built castles here. Oh, wow. Right here, a huge castle with a hole in it. Whoever built that is pretty talented at building castles. And then there's one more layer of shells. And then here's the beach. The water. There's tsunami. I'm kidding. What the? That's lime on the floor. Let's find a shell. Aha, right here. My dad was filming this video, so I have to give him a shell as a little present for filming. Aha, perfect. This is the shell. Here, right? Like that. Oh, it's a little blurry. There it is. Anyway, as I was saying, I'm going back. Well, it's super shaky because I'm a very talented filmer. And in one of the videos, I said how talented I was at filming. And I hope you all agreed with that. Anyway, yeah. So here's the shell. Here's a shell for you.
Oh, thank you. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, I found it.
This is a great shelling beach.
Well, I hope you enjoyed watching my video today. Thanks for watching. Bye.